Did you know that most general liability insurance claims that are denied because the insurance policy was not covering the full scope of what they did? What I mean by that is, say that you're a tile guy, okay, and you start out, it's you, your truck, and your dog, and over the years, before you know it, you've started to add a crew, and before you know it, maybe you've added another truck, and before you know it, you're not just doing tiles, but you're getting involved in remodels and things like that. I mean, every good businessman's looking for a way to increase his income. So this is just the nature of business. The problem is, if you're still just insuring it as a tile business, and now you're doing plumbing and you're doing maybe a little electrical and who knows what else, we need to list that as your scope of operation. A lot of people are afraid to do this. They're also looking at the bottom line. They don't want to spend too much. But, you'd be surprised that in many cases, increasing the scope of operation doesn't change anything. What they do is they rate you on the highest rated profession that you do. So let's say that plumbing is probably a little bit more expensive maybe than tile. I don't know off the top of my head. They would just rate you, if you started doing that, you would just be charged the difference in your new operations now. It's also, general liability policies are also sensitive to your wage. So if you get more people, you need to disclose that. Your rate will go up a little bit, but you'll be properly covered if something happens. All insurances can be tricky, and general liability is no different. So it's really important for you to find a good agent. Look for an agency that has lots of companies. The more the companies, the more the options. Usually we can find you, more coverage and better prices with more companies. Try to find an agency with a good reputation. Look for 4 and 5 star reviews. Look for A+ ratings with a Better Business Bureau, Trusted Choice, things like that. It'll give you a good insight as to to exactly what you're dealing with. And along the way, why not find somebody that's nice? It doesn't cost any more to deal with a nice person, and quite frankly, life's too short to deal with somebody that's intimidating. You should be able and feel comfortable picking up the phone and calling your agency and talking to us. As independent agents, we can, we're on your side with this, so we can help you brainstorm and figure out what's best for you. I guess the point is also, whether you go with us or somebody else, look for a good agent that has your best interest at heart. I'm sure you'll be happy you did. Thank you.